Right now, 450 kilometers above your head, three of India's greatest scientists are orbiting the Earth, and every one of them is smaller than a grain of rice. To understand how they got there, you need to hear about a rocket that ISRO did not build. July 18, 2026, 12:05 p.m., Sriharikota, a rocket lifts off from ISRO's own launch pad, but this rocket does not belong to ISRO. It belongs to a company called Skyroot, started in 2018 in Hyderabad by two engineers who walked out of ISRO to do something everyone called impossible. Because at that moment, private companies from only two nations on Earth had ever reached orbit. The United States and China, India, was not on that list. In 2022 they tried. A small rocket called Vikram S became the first private Indian rocket to touch space. They called that mission Prarambh, the beginning, but touching space is not the same as staying there. 5 minutes later, it fell into the Bay of Bengal. For orbit, they would need something far bigger, and they gave it a name that carried the weight of history, Vikram, after Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program. 20 meters tall, 1.7 meters wide, a pencil pointed at the sky. 4 stages stacked. The first 3 burn solid fuel, raw, unstoppable power. The 4th is liquid, precise enough to thread a needle in orbit. And the body is not metal, it is carbon fiber, lighter than aluminium, stronger than steel. Some of its engines were not machined at all, they were printed. 3 solid engines to push it off the Earth, 1 liquid engine to place it exactly where it needs to be. Its job, launch small satellites, up to 350 kilograms, for a world that builds satellites faster than anyone can launch them. July 18th, launch set for 11:30 in the morning. The countdown runs smoothly until T-5 minutes, and then the clock stops. A technical issue, the rocket stands fueled on the pad, and for 35 minutes, nobody knows if it will fly at all. And history was not on their side. Most new rockets fail on their very first flight. The team had tested everything possible on the ground, but the sky keeps its own exams. 12:05 and 30 seconds, ignition, the first stage lights, and Vikram 1 leaves the Earth. Stage 1 burns out, separates. Stage 2, perfect. Stage 3, perfect. Every single stage, exactly on script. Then the final stage takes over, the orbit adjustment module, firing its liquid engine for 6 full minutes, shaping the path with tiny, precise pushes. 15 minutes after liftoff, 450 kilometers up, the announcement comes. The mission is a grand success. Its name, Aagaman, Sanskrit, for arrival. 4 years earlier they had called the beginning Prarambh, now the arrival. So what did it carry? 2 small satellites, one from Skyroot itself, one from another Indian startup, and a technology demo, all the way from Germany. And one experiment unlike anything else, a soft robotic arm designed to reach out and catch space debris, an Indian startup testing how to clean up space itself. But there were also 2 objects on board that made no scientific sense at all. The first, an artwork called Cosmic Bloom, a flower holding a lab-grown diamond. And the second, a tiny rocket made of 18-karat gold. Inside it, 3 microscopic sculptures, Vikram Sarabhai, C.V. Raman, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, each one smaller than a grain of rice. So the man the rocket was named after now orbits the Earth aboard it, and India becomes only the 3rd nation whose private citizens can reach orbit on their own. This was only a test flight, more will follow, then commercial launches, and behind them hundreds of Indian space startups waiting for their turn at the sky because the universe isn't finished being drawn.